This user guide will show you how to include an application form on the Lumina applicant tracker. First, visit www.luminalearning.com in order to log into our system. Press the Login button in the top right-hand corner. Then use your Lumina account details to sign in to Lumina Online. Now navigate to Lumina Services on the left-hand menu. Then enter the Applicants Tracker area. Select the position in which you would like to add an application form. You will now see the positions dashboard. Then navigate to the Position Settings tab. Scroll down the page to the Include an Application Form section. Click on the tick box to add an application form. You will now have the application form options on screen. To edit the information that you require, use the first set of sliders. Add the country of work using the drop-down menu. If you would like to add a custom question for the application form, move the slider from off to on, and a text box will appear for you to add your question. You can do this up to 5 times. Once you have completed the application form, save the settings using the highlighted button. Thank you for listening to this user guide on including an application form on the Lumina applicant tracker. We hope you found it helpful. Please feel free to contact support@luminalearning.com if you have any further queries.